If you are serious about learning how to command your money instead of your money commanding you, Duransburg Jr., who we all know as DJ the Money Coach, is the person for the job. Here I was, this middle-aged woman who had so many financial mistakes over the years, feeling stuck and even hopeless, and the only way out I saw was prayer. Well, apparently prayer, or my prayers, were answered when I saw a video of DJ the Money Coach as a guest speaker on one of my favorite YouTube content creators' channel. My attention was immediately drawn to him as he told his own story about pulling himself out of that same sunken place I felt like I could never get out of. It was truly inspiring. But the icing on the cake for me was that not only because of his many years of experience working with governments and Fortune 1000 companies teaching financial education, but that he is linked to some very heavy hitters in the financial education arena. That pretty much sealed the deal for me, knowing that he didn't mind reaching back to help those of us who otherwise would have just continued to go through our everyday money struggles. So on our second meeting, DJ the Money Coach went over a risk tolerance questionnaire with me in order to deliver a financial analysis custom made for me. So with him, there is no one size fits all, and he is independent, meaning he can deliver more and cater to where you are right now. His 7 spheres of money system is definitely putting me on track towards financial freedom in the near future. His system is my lifeline I needed to pull me out of a drowning pool of debt and predatory lending. Also, having to report my spending to him every week is training me how to become more disciplined in my spending habits.
Hi everybody, my name is Altavis F. Fleary. I am a notary and loan signing agent. I'm currently working with DJ the Money Coach on setting up my financial business strategies for my business operations. So far, DJ's been great. He gives great advice, and I'm looking forward to continue to work with his team and making sure that we set me up for the near future. Thanks again, DJ.
What's going on, everyone? My name is Tajir. I'm a young professional from New York. I just want to give a big shout out to DJ the Money Coach. I had a consultation call with him and it was amazing. I learned about so many things, from insurance to buying real estate and getting leverage on transactions, to tax loopholes, tax pitfalls, 401ks, IRAs, much more. If you're on the verge, if you want to advance your financial future and you're not sure what you do or where to go, I definitely recommend seeing DJ the Money Coach.
Hello, my name is Crystal Jones and I'm in the healthcare field. I would like to take the opportunity to thank Ericka Williams and DJ the Money Coach, along with his team, for providing valuable gems to help me get on a successful financial path. And yes, I am ready for that pom-pom lifestyle.
Hey, I chose to rock with DJ the Money Coach because he gave me, during our complimentary consulting session, he gave me 3 things that I think is going to be a game changer. 1, he gave me an action plan to increase revenue in my business. 2, he gave me 2 conferences that I'm going to attend that I know are going to be game changers in my business for networking. And 3, he gave me an action plan to pay down debt, save, so that we can buy properties and it won't put a strain on our household. So that's why I rock with DJ Money.
The reason I decided to get up with DJ was because I saw him on a couple different platforms and he seemed like he really knew what he was talking about, and some of the things he said resonated with me. And that was confirmed once I got on the phone with him. And about 45 minutes, he gave me enough gems, enough game to probably save me thousands of dollars, because I was leaving so much money on the table from tax advantages, business structure, so on and so forth. So if you're looking for somebody that has experience, if you're looking for somebody that actually can do what they say they can do, I would advise you to rock out with DJ the Money Coach. DJ, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for everything.